Good morning. This is an important judgment. How to get passport for the single parent, either husband or wife, again, between whom litigations are pending. Then how to get passport for the minor child if the spouse wants to live abroad along with the child. Very important judgment. Several rules have been discussed in this judgment, and this will be helpful for practicing advocates and to assist your friends, family members. AAR 2023 Karnataka 121. AAR 2023 Karnataka 121. Indira M versus Union of India. Here the case ratio was renewal of passport. Petitioner mother sought to direct authorities to renew passport of her minor son. Father objected. In the event, applicant single parent is not in a position to get consent of other parent for whatever reason. Parent applying for passport of minor may sign the application form and submit a sworn affidavit. Petitioner bound by the rules 1980. Direction issued to renew the passport. They have discussed so many provisions in this judgment, so that is far better. If you go through the entirety of the judgment, so many annexes are there. Even without the help of some agents, you can apply for passport renewal, whatever it may be. Several other cases were referred. So it is better for you to decide this issue if anybody approaches. Now then question arises, what all are the topics which you should understand first before reading the subjects. Like that, what is contract? All contracts are agreement, but not all agreements are contract. So that is most important. This topic you should understand. Then question arises, how agreement is not contract, because it is subject to some qualification. There should be a competence to contract between two parties, and it should not against the public policy, against law. So many things are there. You have to, then you can go through it. So for contract act or consent. Then question arises, what is Transfer of Property Act? Nemodat non-habit. Nemodat non-habit is a principle upon which Transfer of Property Act was decided, was consolidated. See, what is they say, the maxim says, a person who does not have any title cannot transfer the property. Transfer of Property Act deals with transfer of property between inter vivos. That is most important topic. Inter vivos. Inter vivos means those persons who are living, except charge. Charge is nothing but a mortgage. For mortgage, two living persons should execute, but charge means due to some court orders, non-payment of taxes, statutory binding, these things called charge. Once the charge is effected, then all rights and liabilities and duties of mortgage and mortgagee would apply. This is most important aspect, you must understand. Then question arises, criminal cases, you must understand, number one, first, what is complaint? What is complaint? You must understand the topic of complaint. The word complaint has been defined CRPC under section 2. Complaint means any oral or written complaint which was taken cognizance by the court for initiating action. That is most important, complaint. So you cannot simply say complaint means going and presenting a complaint to the police officer is a complaint as per Code of Criminal Procedure. As per Code of Criminal Procedure, complaint is the either oral written allegations, taken allegations or imputation, or facts which prima facie makes out a offence punishable by the accused, the court take cognizance that is only complaint. Then how the complaint is being taken on file, then you have to go through 190 CRPC, 154, so many things. That before understanding this CRPC code, you must understand what is complaint. You are not understanding complaint. Complaint is different from information, first information. That is first information report. That may be complaint or may not be complaint, or it may be simply information. But the complaint given to police officer under 154 CRPC is not complaint as per section 2 definition class subclass, the definition of complaint. The most important vital thing you should understand. Then question, what subject you must understand in the criminal procedure code is what is bail. How many bails are there? So do not simply jump that bail 436, bailable, non-bailable, triable by sessions. There are other provisions for bail also. So you have to consolidate the bail wherever the bail says. After conviction also, the lower court, if the punishment is below 3 years, can suspend the sentence and release him on bail. Pending appeal, the court can, pending appeal, suspend the sentence and releasing on bail. This, like that, if payment of fine is there, 424 CRPC, you can file an application seeking time for payment of fine and seek for bail. So many bail. The word bail is correlated to bailment in civil procedure. The word bail is correlated to bailment in civil procedure. This subject also you should understand. So in criminal side, this most important today for discussion. Then what is quasi-contract? Finder of lost good minus contract, bailment, all related to quasi-contract. First, novelty of contract. This this topic should be understood by you, then go through the Fair Act to understand, then go through the decided cases or digest. Go to library, open any digest, yearly digest, Supreme Court yearly digest, Madras Law Weekly yearly digest. So many digests are there topic wise. First of all, you try to open the book and how to find out topic wise subjects, and you read any digest. Digest means gist of the case, the crux of the case. That means the major issues, main issues has been decided on what concept and what ratio. This is most important. So it's not instead of attending lectures and lectures for hours together, kindly follow my instruction that try to understand topic wise every whatever, instead of going criminal side, civil side, writ side, constitution side, whatever the topics I am just discussing with you, all are most important in the life of a human being, unless you breathe last. So these things today I would like to share with you. So go search for the definition of complaint, then 190 CRPC, then 436, 437, 439, 437 class, what there is a 436, 436A what says. These all are bail, related to bail provisions. Then 389, 424, and a revision also 397, pending revision. bail is being granted by suspending the order which you have challenged. I hope you understand. Kindly follow my instructions strictly. Then you attend the classes also, but you make sure that all these topics are fundamentally understood by you. Best wishes.